Yes.
We're all gonna roleplay our characters, okay?
No, I'm not playing role-playing a chick. Fuck that.
Ha
Same here. No, same here. I'm not role-playing a chick.
Hey, how can you say you're not gonna roleplay a chick, but all you ever do is play as a chick?
Yeah, that doesn't mean I role-play as them.
Alright then, gentlemen.
Oh, snap.
Welcome. We are playing
Okay,
White.
okay,
Hey!
Jacob,
Stop!
Jacob,
Stop! Hold on! Wait!
Jacob.
Wait! Hello. We are playing White
Making me have an
Online. Welcome and enjoy.
Oh god, Aaron.
Alright,
My
so
phone
are we
popcorn.
all ready? Are we all ready?
Because I'm in it, do I have to watch it?
Alright,
Maybe.
we're ready.
You must be forced to watch. Tyler, are you recording?
Yeah, I am. Why?
Okay, just make it.
You didn't do an intro.
Yeah.
Hello, this is White Noise.
Online.
Woo!
And we're ready
White
to,
noise.
yeah, that's the show.
Whoa.
Oh,
Guys,
Roma!
Where are we?
Oh,
Dude, the map, the map is called
Wait. Everyone, come back to the corner. Come back to the corner. Come back over here.
Oh, Aaron, you look like a whore.
Who wants the
Where's
big
the
dick,
button
huh?
for you?
Who wants
Wait,
the
Alright,
jump?
everybody.
Alright.
Everybody. Look in the. Alright, look over here. And go.
Alright, let's move out. Let's
Party!
roll out.
Party!
Yes, it's, I hate,
no.
Jacob, I hate you. This is the worst kind of map ever. Jump scare game.
Why?
It's the freaking
Jacob
kicking
recommends
around
it.
corners.
Oh, perfect. The best.
These are the
Can we go
ones.
through doors, or?
No.
Bust it down. You're a jock. Bust it down.
Yeah.
Use your football technique.
Oh god. Guys, we found the library and storage. All together.
Having the fun isn't hard.
I love
the library card.
Oh my
I
god.
love the way Aaron
Jacob,
did that.
I hate you so much.
Why?
Do you not see how freaking bad this is? It's all, it's not literally nothing but room for
Not
jump
bad.
scares.
Guys, don't believe me. I'm reading.
Bad thing. Oh,
Guys,
tape recorder.
Oh, I hate you.
Guys, believe me. Don't leave me. Don't believe me.
I'm learning.
Hey, do it.
Found it.
Oh, where are you?
Over here.
Shut up, Jacob. I hate you. I blame you.
Is this
Wait.
Rich?
Aaron, where are you?
I'm walking around. Why do you ask?
Dude,
Guys,
it's
we
safe.
lost Aaron.
Oh.
What?
Oh god. Where? Aaron, you're gonna die.
Wait, where'd you guys go? Oh, guys, you all leave me?
Over here.
Guys, where are you?
Oh, God.
Over here, guys.
Oh, thank God it's Aaron. Alright, we're all together. We're all together.
I don't like
This
you
way.
guys.
This
This
way.
way.
Let's go fake. I don't like
I'm
this.
surprised we haven't gotten any white noise yet.
Yeah, we did. We found
Don't
your
jinx
tape.
it for us. I swear to God. I won't.
Guys, I love your shadow. Your shadow goes like 2 feet in front of you. Like, it doesn't even go on the wall. In front of you. It walks
We have
2 feet.
poltergeist. Dude, we have
Charging into the
Dude,
main.
is it Leon? Dude, it's
Oh,
Leon.
Leon!
Oh god, I'm hearing noises. I'm hearing noises.
Oh,
I'm hearing noises.
God.
Oh, boo boo. Sorry, go peek on the corner, Aaron.
I don't want to. I hate you all.
I'm not hearing any over here.
Okay, it's all
I'm
clear.
hearing noises on the right side.
We're all clear. On the right side.
What about the
Yeah,
left
Jacob,
side?
Oh,
Jacob, this is
fuck
good.
that.
Jacob,
Fuck that door, dude. Fuck it.
What?
It's
we gotta
scary.
go in there. We gotta go in. We gotta.
It's the finding room. I don't like fire.
Be brave.
No, fuck you. This is scary.
No! No! Not the filing cabinet! Please! Anything but that! Oh god. Oh god.
Be brave, guys.
No, fuck you.
Guys, oh god, there's a giant
No.
warehouse on the left side of this room.
Oh, let's go in there. I'll go in first.
I don't like
We
you
have
guys.
one minute to run.
Wait, what?
Wait, no, guys, meet up. Where was
Wait,
everyone?
where'd everybody
Oh,
go?
dude,
guys.
torpedoes!
Dude, guys.
Wait, what? Oh, God.
Blackbird.
God damn it.
Guys.
We separated.
This is
Alright.
Area
Aaron, this
51.
way.
Wait, groups.
Aaron,
Alright,
turn around.
wait, hold on. Alright, everybody, let's split up and look for clues. Alright.
No!
Damn it.
Noah,
Alright.
Noah,
No,
and
you
Tyler, you go
Yeah,
that
no,
way.
you.
We'll go this way. I hate you all.
Hey, guys. Guys, I just realized this warehouse that Jacob found, it is a Blackbird warehouse. Oh, shit!
Do you hear anything at all, Jacob? Like,
No,
white
the
noise?
fucking thing is in the warehouse.
Oh, thank God it's after you
Oh,
guys.
Right there! This
Thank
way!
God we're good.
Turn around!
Let's keep walking in this direction. I'm waiting.
This way!
Okay.
No, what are you doing? It might be in here. There might be a tape recorder in here. We gotta be brave, man.
Oh, I'm protecting myself.
From
Wow.
tech.
Bye, Tyler.
There's got. Wait, did you leave me?
Tyler. No, I'm right here.
Oh, I was gonna
Alright,
say.
Jacob, you go ahead.
Tyler.
Oh god,
Tyler.
walk in front of
We
me.
can't escape.
Go.
Let's
You
get
go.
in.
You're in first.
I hate you.
You're first. Fuck you. I've been the lead all the time.
Oh god.
Oh god, oh no.
Oh,
Oh god, he's after us. He's gonna be here. He's gonna be here. I can feel it in my
Tyler.
bones.
Tyler. We can get in this blackbird and just fly away.
Yeah, I know. We
Alright,
very
let's
well
go this
could.
way. Jacob, go right.
Aaron, that tape recorder thing scared the shit out of me because the music just changed. It's like, oh god.
Oh, yeah, I don't like
No, we jump scared them from here.
I
it.
know.
I'm not gonna lie, guys.
I must say, I
Tyler.
really like your blue boots.
Tyler, this is really
Oh,
sad.
yeah, thanks, man.
Tyler, this is really sad. When I looked to my left, I saw the game recording. I got scared. Shit. I was like, oh no! Oh, my own recording scared. Okay, he's not after us, Jacob.
Tyler.
Jesus.
What is that?
It was right outside in the hallway.
Yeah, well, be careful. That's why you're leading
Oh my
the way.
god.
Jeez. Oh, come on, Noah, this way.
Aaron, I'm so glad it's open to them.
Yeah,
Safe?
I really hope you can't teleport. Shut up, Paul. Oh, there's one, Jacob. I'll get
If
it.
this is anything like Slender, that's teleport.
No, it says a monster chases you. I think I got one before.
Oh, good.
Oh, I had a mini heart attack, guys.
Oh, you guys are weird.
What?
Like that?
Aaron, come back here.
Why?
Come back here. Look inside these pods.
Oh my god, there's more monsters. They're creating monsters in here. Oh my god, they're breeding them. Bunker 51's breeding them for these monsters.
So Bunker 51 is the reason why we're playing this.
Fuck you, Bunker 51.
Tyler.
Fuck you.
Don't leave me.
Jacob, you go.
No.
Right there, you go first. Yes, man. He's great.
We should crouch this game.
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Wait,
Noah?
is he there?
Yeah?
Let's not go down there.
I heard it. I heard noises.
Yo,
Jacob, go. You're in front. I'm following you. Fuck you.
Tyler, are you with me? Tyler!
Come on.
No. I went down that way.
Oh god.
What?
Oh god.
Wait, don't-
Jacob,
No, come
my
on.
flashlight's
No, come over here.
flickering. My flashlight's flickering.
Those mine.
I don't like this.
No, let's not go that way.
Where'd you go?
Where'd you go, Jacob?
You
Jacob,
lead the way.
you with me? Oh god.
Oh, Aaron.
No, you. No,
Come back here. Come
you
back
lead
here.
the way. Is your flashlight dead?
Alright, Aaron, I'm charging my
No,
flashlight.
you lead the way with your flashlight, because mine's dying.
No! Mine's dead!
Oh, crap.
Alright, let's go this way, Jacob. Left. Go left.
Aaron, I'm right behind you, okay? I'm charging my flashlight.
Tell me when yours is up so I can start charging mine. Also, get in the front of me.
Oh god, I'm scared. What the fuck is that noise?
Oh my god.
Hey, no.
Oh my god.
Tyler.
I hate you. I'm gonna eat you.
No, I don't hear it, Noah. Noah,
You're like
come on, we're
whispering.
gonna go out this way.
Jacob, hurry up and take the lead. My flashlight's dying.
There are bunkers out here.
Alright, turn your flashlight off.
Barracks.
Oh my god, I
Is
can't
there a
see
bunker
shit.
Noah, there's a tape.
Yeah,
You can see me, right? You can see me, right?
No, I can't. Bring your flashlight up. Okay, there. I cannot.
Guys, got a chip recorder.
Okay.
We got one. We're on 8. Oh, let's head back this way.
Oh my
You know where
goodness.
you man?
I'm right
Oh,
here.
alright. Stay against the wall.
Never leaving your side.
Just remember, Noah, your flashlight recharges.
Generator? Oh, it's a train. Guys, I found a escape.
Quick, get on the train, Jacob. Get on the train. Let's get out of here.
We found a blackbird.
Exo Intelligence Bureau. The Exo Intelligence Bureau. It's
Check.
like XCOM.
Jacob,
Okay,
he's
make sure
taking the lead.
Can we get on the train?
I got it.
Alright, Noah.
I think we can. Right here.
Oh,
I think we're alright.
We're on the train.
we're on a train, motherfucker.
We're gonna go this way.
Folks,
Yeah.
this
What
is
good
home.
is that?
We can leave without stuff. We can leave.
Not really. We need to keep up.
Conductor.
Neither of us has smart enough to do it.
I'll be my own conductor.
Why don't we get a bunch of Vespas? Like you need them, like you can escape.
He's like a ticket keeper.
We need to escape.
I don't want this to get done. Why is this
Oh, your flashlight recharges. I hope you know this.
Your flashlight does extra recharge.
We got these particle
I-
batteries,
wait.
man.
I thought it did. I don't know. You guys were mentioning it earlier. I thought you said you were recharging it.
No.
Well, I turned it off.
We're just switching it up so that way so that we're not both coming around you guys. I don't like you guys. I hate you all. Except you.
You hear that too, right?
Oh, yeah, I hear it too.
Well, it's flickering already.
Yeah, so is mine. Don't turn it on. It's mine. mine's still flickering. Mine might die soon.
Yeah.
Don't leave yours on, Noah. Leave yours off.
I'm just flashing it from time to time to see what's using. Do it. Train this way.
Is there a door this way, or what is this way?
I don't know. We'll find out. But I just got.
Did you hear that, Noah?
They should have peeked, but yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a door down here. Alright. No, we're gonna die.
Alright.
No, we're fine.
Oh, dude, I found the... Guys, we found the train. You mustn't be near us. We found the train.
What part of the train? The head?
The front, yeah.
Yeah, then we're all the way at the back, so we're not waiting.
Oh, let's meet up.
Should we wait for them?
Guys,
Yeah, fine.
Guys, wait here.
No,
meet up.
no,
We're headed down there.
no, if we stand still, he'll get us, Jacob. We have to keep moving.
Then come towards us.
Oh, yeah.
By movie logic.
Come towards us.
No. You come towards us. Oh, I know, behind you, Jacob! Behind you! Behind you! Behind you! Behind you! He's behind you, Jacob! Run! 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 Run!
Not go there, Tyler.
Wait, why you say fuck me?
Let's not go there.
Hey, why you say
I
fuck
can't
me?
run anymore.
Oh.
Dude, because fucking about to
Oh god.
coughing. Why am I coughing?
Because you're scared.
Okay, it's not behind us anymore. It's not following us.
Quick, let's take a left and we'll catch up with them. We'll cut them off here. Right here.
We kind of moved to the other side of the wall.
Wait, where'd you guys
Yeah,
go?
we
Wait,
went through the other side of the wall.
wait, what?
Do you do that, Noah?
Yes.
You moved to the other
Oh, guys,
side.
I see you! Guys! Guys!
To the left?
I see you!
Okay,
Guys, I see you! Guys!
Oh, monster!
Guys,
Monster! 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 No, 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 no,
Go,
Monster!
go,
Monster! Run away, monster!
Oh, God.
I
Well, at
like
least
this.
if my flashlight dies, you guys still have some.
I
I'm
like
shutting
this.
mine down since you guys have
I
flashlights.
don't like this. This monster's popping up more often now. Guys,
Yeah,
my
we have
flashlight.
more.
I'm
Wait,
not seeing anything.
my flashlight's dying, guys. Almost
Let's
there.
not leave.
You guys go in front.
I turned mine off.
I'm not being in front.
I turned mine off.
I'm turning mine off.
Yeah, you guys lead the way. You guys lead the
Fine.
way.
Wait, slow down, slow down.
Noah's flashlight is dead.
Well,
How's
it
it
was dead.
Well,
What are you talking about?
oh,
It
well,
was still shining
you
pretty brightly.
said it was dead, dude.
It was dead, yeah? Oh, dude, we're gonna drink it quick.
Tell me around one of these corners. Let's do it.
Yeah, dude. We.
Cool.
Oh my
Alright.
God.
I'm
Alright.
turning
I'm looking to the right.
left. Left is good.
Oh god, what was that?
Right is
What was that?
Guys, he's behind us.
Guys, I feel
didn't
like
see
there's
him.
something back that way for a tape recorder.
I don't think
No, he looked that way. Oh god, he sounds really close.
Guys, wait. Guys, wait up.
we're not even running, we're walking slowly.
I know,
Oh
but
god.
I
My
was
flashlight's
behind and I
super
have.
freaking dying.
Wait, guys, there's a missile. Oh! What the hell's that? What the hell's that? What the hell's that?
What was what?
There's a missile. Guys, there's a missile. Look at the green sign. There's a missile that way.
No.
That's the warehouse, Jacob. With
Let's
that's the warehouse with the blackbird. That's
Alright,
what
you
we
guys
know
lead the
about.
way. Oh, my flashlight's dying.
My flashlight's flickering.
Mine,
Jake's pretty dim.
mine's like almost dead. It's like really weak.
Oh my God, mine is literally going to the point where it's
Library.
Oh, we're back
Yeah, we
here.
found
Well,
the place we got. Yeah.
good
Found
circle,
a
guys.
complete circle.
Alright, this time.
Okay.
Hug the
Hold
right.
on, I know what to do.
No, hug the right side of the wall this time. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. Run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, guys. Run away. No, no!
Oh, no! No! No, my God.
Oh god, no one couldn't handle it.
Guys,
No one couldn't
guys,
handle it.
run.
No, Tyler, this way.
Where's Noah going?
I don't know, but we gotta leave him, man. We gotta leave him.
We've lost Noah. We've lost Noah.
Oh, oh! He disconnected. What? My game just
Yeah,
disconnected.
I got that message right away.
Oh, I didn't. I just got
Oh,
it
there
now.
he goes. I just now got it.
Oh.
Darn it, man.
How many more do we need? Four?
Guys, it's
Yeah.
just the
Well,
three of us. We need four more.
guys, I have terrible news. You see, the monster has gotten Noah. I'm gonna give you a moment. I'm gonna give you a moment to let it sink in. The monster got.
It appears that the monster has shut down Noah's Xbox.
Got.
I'm not going back in that library. We already got the tape recorder there.
Okay, let's go.
I'm not going
Yeah.
back.
Alright, so if we find, hey, if
Oh,
we find that
God.
warehouse.
Oh,
Oh.
god. Look at all the corners.
Oh my
All the
god.
corners.
Oh, no, he's not right. Go right, go right. Oh my god. Oh, guys, where'd you go? Guys,
Guys, we're right
Guys,
behind you.
exo-intelligence. Exo-intelligence.
this alien guy's
United States.
He's trying to kill me.
Oh god, you don't turn left, don't go 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 left. Go right, go right, go right, go right, go right.
I have low sprint. Wait.
Jacob, fucking in front of you. Shadow skips the shit out of you. It takes like half my screen and like I can't see anything.
Oh my god, this is absolutely
Terrifying, yes.
Why do we do this? If they have a slender online game, we're not doing it.
Oh god,
I'm saying
guys,
we're not doing it.
guys. Oh god, no, don't look at the statue, don't look at the statue.
Green
There's a
statue.
statue to our right. I have to go in that room though, there's gonna be something in there.
Yeah, we have to. We have to go in that room. It's somewhere in there.
Just don't look at the statue. Otherwise you...
Wait, guys, come back.
No.
Come
Jacob,
back.
are you dead?
Come back, no, come back, where'd you guys go?
We went to the
Oh,
room with the statue.
Right behind
Just
you.
don't look
He's
at
right
it.
behind us. He's right behind us. He's right behind us.
There's gotta be a tape recorder.
Oh, I found it. Let me grab it. You ready, guys?
Alright, get it.
Grab it. We got 5. I'm going across the room. Alright, I'll
One
you up.
guy and 2 chicks.
Threesome.
Nope,
Yeah, no,
Sorry.
not in this place, man.
sorry. Oh,
No, it's bad.
no, it's been released. He escaped the monster. Let's hear his
Oh
tail.
god.
I hope we
shit,
if you
oh.
join us. I hope we... statue.
Green statue! Green statue is spawning, it's not fun.
Do we have to go that way though? Do we have to go that way though?
I don't know, because that wasn't there before, I don't think. I feel like we're back at the
Did we even
beginning
go
area.
this way?
I feel like we're back at the beginning area, where we started.
Oh yeah, this is. We went this way.
Oh.
So, dude, we didn't even go the right way. This is okay. This is the way we went.
Oh my god. That's not cool, man. That's not cool. I don't like it when
That's not okay.
that's
He
not...
spawned right in front of us.
Oh,
Hey,
guys, don't
you
leave
guys
me.
hear- Oh, wait, no, Darren.
I'm right here, don't worry. Oh,
Okay,
oh
so
god.
we're back in the UFO room. That's the UFO room.
Oh god, no. My
Yeah,
flashlight.
sent me a
My
message.
flashlight is dead. Oh god. No, look at that. Stop looking at that. Damn it.
It said he won't let him rejoin. Guys, don't go that way. That's where the statue is. This way. We have to go back. To
You
the
gotta go
door.
back to the right. You gotta hope.
That's where the. Oh my god.
Are you following? Fine,
Oh
take
my
it.
God.
Take,
Yeah,
yeah,
we're
go.
right here. We're going down.
You should take the lead. My flashlight's gonna die. I'm gonna turn it off. Go.
Mine's
Or
flickering really bad too.
where'd you
No,
go?
it's
Wait,
fine.
where'd you guys go? Oh god. Oh, there you
Dude,
go.
we're right here. We're right here, man.
You go around the corner.
Alright,
Oh,
so
they're
if we
ready
get
for it.
lost, if we get lost from each other right away, flash your light on
Okay.
the person that's lost.
Alright, it's not here.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. My flashlight died for like 10 seconds.
Alright,
god.
alright, you'll be alright, you'll be
I'm
alright.
turning my flashlight off. I'm gonna follow you. He's to the right. He's to the right. Or, no, left. He's to our left. He's to our left. No, all right. My bad. That's my bad.
You are right.
Oh god, we're back here.
Right.
Yeah, I
Alright,
told
so-
you this is the way we
Guys,
went.
guys,
when we were-
guys, listen. Alright, so remember when me and Noah found that warehouse?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, Jacob found the warehouse. There was a door on the other side of it.
Okay, guys.
Let's go that way.
I'm gonna turn my
I
flashlight
have
off.
a feeling that it leads.
Okay, so where was the filing cabinet area?
I felt my controller vibrate.
I don't like this.
I don't like it either.
I'm hearing clicking. I'm not liking that clicking. I'm going.
Dude, where'd you guys go? Oh, close. Jacob, hold up, hold up.
Wait, oh, there you are. Jacob, wait!
Don't leave us behind, damn it.
Oh god. Oh god, my controller vibrating.
I don't like you. Guys,
I feel
you
like
guys
we're
don't.
gonna die, like,
We're all gonna die together.
yeah. Alright.
Together, if only.
Wait, okay, to the train and to the missile. We haven't even checked out the missile area yet
So,
either.
no, Jacob, the missile is where me and Noah found the warehouse.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because it's not a missile. You said it was a blackbird.
No, it was a Blackbird, but there are missiles in that warehouse.
Jacob, turn around.
There
Where's
are
the
missiles
line?
all over the place.
Oh god, my flashlight's
Oh,
almost
wait.
dead. I don't like this. Guys. Guys.
I'm losing. I'm losing my
Okay,
flashlight.
you said there was a door on the other side of them. If this leads back to the warehouse, then. Right side. Don't go right. Don't go right.
Jacob. Oh my god.
Wait up, guys.
let
Alright.
my flash every charge. Fuck that.
Alright, this is the warehouse. This is where me and Noah found the tape recorder first.
You take the
Alright,
lead,
so
then.
I know we have...
What?
Oh god, it's still alive.
Even though you guys,
It's still there, it's still there.
even though you guys
We
screamed
found
already.
it in here, but I thought maybe there was a door in here, like somewhere leading to a tape recorder. There's gotta be one in the filing room. There has to be. We didn't find one when we were in here.
But do you know how big the filing is though? It's like 5
There's
feet.
so many rooms of filing cabinets.
Oh god, he's on one of the other sides of the
Oh
cabinet!
god, guys, get out of the room!
God,
Get out of the
I can
room!
see
Out of the room! Out of the room.
I can see his head. It just looks
I
funny
see.
though, his head just peeking over the top.
Oh great, we're back at the train, guys.
Hey guys.
Well, hello. You're looking for me?
Climbing in your windows.
Go that way.
Raping your bitches.
Go that way.
Yeah, we're not going right.
Oh god, he's behind us! He's behind us! He's behind us!
Okay, I'm running.
Run, run,
Oh god.
run.
I don't like this, guys. Why are we playing this like
Jacob,
this?
wait up!
Why are we playing this like this?
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
You gotta go back in that room, guys.
We have to.
Jacob,
Right
Bravery.
here, right here.
Bravery.
Right behind you guys.
oh god, sorry, sorry. Oh god. What?
I can't get through here.
Ooh,
I can't get through this way.
guys, back in the corner. No, yeah, go back the other way. First.
No, I found a way in.
Oh,
You gotta run
I
it
can't.
diagonally.
oh god.
Oh, okay.
You get it? Because the door's closed.
Alright, this is supposed to find stuff.
Alright, there's more rooms over here. I just don't know.
I don't like Jacob, I hate you so much. Saying,
There's a filing cabinet.
Tyler, where are you going?
There's a filing cabinet room in here.
Bye, Tyler.
Where are you guys leaving me?
in the filing cabinet room. Jacob, go in front of me. First.
Guys, wait!
No, we're going in the filing cabinet room up ahead.
Okay, I see you.
Alright, now, look for
I
it.
just feel like to walk in the middle of this room.
Yeah, we have
to
no
actually
choice.
find-
Jacob, after you. After you, first.
I'm not hearing anything.
Never mind. My flashlight is flickering the hell out.
Alright,
Okay, there's another. Nothing.
alright, you go first.
Yeah. Wait.
Tyler, go first.
What?
Tyler, go first.
Oh. I
Wait,
not.
where'd you guys go? Where did you guys go?
Jacob, where are you?
I went into the next room. Where the hell did you guys go?
Wait, what the hell? We're in the hallway again.
Why would... What? We're in the hallway. Where's Jacob?
I don't know. Oh, he's behind us. Uh-oh.
We haven't...
My
We
flash.
haven't been here, have we?
I don't think so.
No. No, we haven't. The hell is
No, we
that
haven't
thing
been
there?
here.
Wait.
Alright.
Oh, no. Yeah,
There's gotta be one in here somewhere.
I hear it.
probably along the street.
No, we were in here before, Eric. This is the one where we found it last time.
Here? No, no, last time.
Yeah, we...
Wait. Oh, God. No, this is different. There's no stuff in here. Please look at it.
Okay, you found it.
Alright, get out of here.
This way. Let's go to this main door over here.
Oh, my God.
Oh my god.
I do not like
We were recording for 23 minutes. I'm slowly running out of space on my computer.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna have to take a dive.
I'm gonna go left.
I'm at the...
We got barrels room. Guys,
Oh, we
barrel
haven't
room.
checked this room.
Oh,
We
quick,
haven't checked this
quick,
room.
please get in
I'll
there.
go
Oh, you
first.
go first.
Oh god.
Oh, my
Oh
God.
god.
This is truly tight kryptonite.
The biggest hole.
Where is it?
Oh god, I don't want to go over there.
So,
I think there's something on there. In the water. There's something in the water.
I'm going water.
No, you can't go off of that ledge.
Okay.
So it's on here. It's on one of these barrels.
Oh, guys. There's a way to get on this thing by a bridge.
Okay. Okay, inside. Hold,
Follow Jacob. Follow Jacob.
hold me tight.
Guys, he's behind us. He's behind us. I heard the flash.
You heard the flash?
My screen. My screen flashed. Guys, I think it's a submarine.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a
Probably.
submarine.
Oh, there's some.
Oh, Jacob. No.
You might have found it. It might be on the other side.
No, it's not. No, it's on the other side of the road. Oh god, he's trapped us on the submarine, guys.
Oh god, he's behind us.
Yep.
Guys, he trapped us.
We're trapped.
On the sub.
Quick, find a way out, find a way out.
Anyone here?
Oh god, guys.
Get on the bridge. On the bridge, quick.
Okay, come on.
Run. Tyler, hold on. You gotta hold on, man. We're almost there.
I'm still keeping footage. I'm still good.
You gotta hold on, man.
Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Wait, oh god, there's a green statue over there, on the left. I'm feeling,
Right.
I feel like the
Guys,
green
I'm
statue...
still in the room. Guys, no, come back into the room.
What?
Come back.
Jacob, where are you?
I stayed in the room. There's more parts.
Jacob, right here, right here.
Yeah, no, this
more
green
room.
statue, no, I have a feeling this green statue is trying to keep us from going where we need to go. Okay, don't look at it.
Guys, there's more of the barrel room. I swear there's gotta be a tape recorder
Dude.
in there.
Walk past this green statue. And go this way. I feel like this is how you put it.
Yeah.
Oh, no, we can't go that way. People gotta run to the right. Go forward to the right. No, we can't. You guys
Oh
leave
god.
me?
Oh god.
Am I alone? No. All that matters. All that matters is that I'm the one not alone.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Jacob, stop getting in front of me.
How have we not died yet?
I don't know. You should be trying very hard.
Hey, yeah, he's just here to spook us. He's like the troll Slender Man.
We're gonna
the
get-
Troller Man.
No, I'm not trying to jinx us, but I have the feeling we're gonna get screwed before number 8.
Probably.
Guys, I want to go into this room here.
Fine.
Alright. I swear there's gotta be a tape recorder in here.
Stop the other end of the barrel.
I just felt my controller vibrate, and I heard the voice. I don't know.
It's the voice of God.
It's gotta be farther back in this room, Jacob, like farther away from the sub, because the platform goes even farther than the submarine itself.
Tyler, go up. No, you roll. Oh, it's big up. Why are you wearing all
Oh,
black?
it's Tyler.
I'm on the other side, guys.
Oh god, my one thing, that's ready to die. I don't
Wait.
like this.
Wait, what's that white noise?
What was it?
Guys! Guys!
What? No, guys, he's in submarine. Oh, guys, I'm all
No,
alone.
Aaron, turn around. Aaron, turn around.
No,
turn
on
around.
the sub for me. I'm going over by that
He's
light.
on the
Oh, I
sub
see him.
for me too.
Okay, Aaron, turn left into the...
No, I'm going over
Aaron,
here by
go,
Tyler.
Guys, I know there's a tape recorder.
I know, but I'm waiting
Where?
for the monster to move away. You could just gone and grabbed it, Jacob. Why do you have to use it up? Just grab it and run back to us.
I'm not gonna be alone.
Just grab it and run back to us. Boom. Wait, where'd you go, Jacob? I think I
Jacob
lost
went through
you.
the door. He went through the door. Come on.
Wait, this door.
Right there, right here.
Wait, where? I'm lost.
Right here.
Got
That is the jail over here, too.
Oh, there you are.
Aaron.
I see that.
Alright, where's the tape recorder?
It's somewhere in here. I can hear it. Oh, no, it's a green statue. Oh, he's right there. Oh, God, he's right there.
Oh god, we're just figuring out.
Oh, God, we're
Oh,
in a jail
God.
cell.
It's shower time, boys!
No, stop. So,
There's gotta
Oh,
be a tape
God.
recorder in one of these rooms.
go to the right first. Whatever.
Not to the right. Not to the
No, not the green statue, though.
Oh.
Okay,
Is it that one, Jacob?
this one's clear.
No, it might be in the one further down to the left or left side.
Cats are dropping shit over here on my side. It is scaring the hell out of me.
Nothing in there.
I hate these cats.
Okay, go. Don't look at it.
Alright, don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Oh. Gotta be.
Is it in there? No, we went there.
No, nothing.
Check the one in front of it.
Gotta be in one of these rooms farther down.
And then check this one.
So many jail cells to check.
Alright, check this one. Actually, I got this one.
Wait,
No tape recorder.
is anybody going to want to super far down the road?
I'm about to lose all footage right now.
No.
Well, not all of it, but I'm about to lose mine. Oh my god.
Guys, go in here. This room. Guys, this hallway.
What?
Oh. Man, these people need to invest in this fake, like, make it in a truck. Where you guys going? Are you going left or right?
I don't know where Jacob's on.
You went to the left. No discussion, Jacob. Communication, damn it.
Sorry, I'm just trying to find more area. Might have a tape recorder.
Yeah, my... Oh god. Yeah, I've got...
We'll still have...
I've got 2 minutes of record time left.
You mean still have it. You want to make this fight.
Tyler, I'd say, like, you just... Might as well just cut it. Oh, there's a big room.
Jacob, where'd you go?
I have 2 minutes of record time left.
Here.
Gotta slow down.
Sorry.
Aaron, I know exactly what's gonna happen. I'm gonna
Jesus!
Oh god. Oh no, it got me!
Oh god, no, I'm looking at no, I don't know where to go. I'm lost.
We lost Jacob! Oh god! Ah!
Wait, what? Wait, you guys died?
Wait, which way are we going? No, I'm right here, Aaron. Aaron,
Wait,
I'm right
Jacob,
here.
you died?
Yeah, Jacob died. I'm right here, Aaron.
I see you.
I'm right behind you.
Okay.
You guys share a tape recorder anywhere?
No, I can't.
No, but I know there's gotta
Wait.
be one in this room.
No.
Right
You need big plug.
Oh,
This is the pod room. What? Oh, stop. How did you make
I
me
like
die?
how he just laughs in our face and then we're dead.
You know what? I'm going. Oh, fight. Bring it! Ah! I went for it. Tyler, just take the dive to keep the footage. Take the dive to keep the footage.
Alright. Where is he?
I don't know. He disappeared.
He's gone.
Keep spinning.
Quick, Tyler, take the dive. Quick, stop your footage now. Stop your footage. Save it. Save it all.
Goodbye, guys. We failed.
Yeah, we got. All right, we got 6 out of 8. 31. Look at how quick the air test.
I lasted exactly 30 minutes.
His port is found. Two. I get gave
Distance walk.
Jesus.
squeeze. Yeah! Number 1 screamer. I love to scream. Oh.
Alright. Bye, guys.